So this is our room, and this is our fish. And I just went in for the first time. Blair's still in there. This is what you see when you come in. You have to put your card here to put the electricity on. And then, as you come into the main room, there's a door to another room, which is not ours, so we're locking that. This is our bed. It's Blair. And then the light, a little drawer thing for Daddy or me. My purse is gonna stay there, so that's okay. Then there is the TV, which can pull out so we can watch it on our bed. So when we pull the curtain so she can have privacy at night, we can still watch TV, I guess. There's the couch. Here's our bed. And this is pretty big over here. There's a stool, place to do your makeup and stuff. This is our window. So this is pretty big and nice. I think this is the biggest window I've ever had, and there's like a seat. So that's really fun.
Mom.
There's this, which I guess is also like a seat or like a table. The couch will pull out into the bed. There's the curtain view from this way.
Sit on this?
Yeah, and it turns into a bed. Oh, I guess you have to leave your key in the thing to keep the electricity on. I don't know if you can adjust the temperature. Oh, you can. Up here. Might make it a little cooler. Oh, that makes it brighter. Quick cool. Now it's brighter in here. So what is this? This is our bathroom. Just the toilet and sink. And then some product. So that's kind of nice. Then this must be our shower slash bathtub.
I don't think.
That is the tiniest little bathtub in the world, but it's okay because it's really just for kids, I think. There's me. There's another little sink. There's more products. Spa Disney. Those are cute. Yeah, so this is nice. And then there's our wardrobe where we can put our luggage and stuff. So this will be real handy. Let's go find Daddy now. What do you think?
Okay.
And our life jackets.
You need to this door.
Okay.